You have earned this, Divine Collective. That is what Spirit is starting off by saying. You have earned this. Run me my money. Spirit is exposing someone for doing a ritual. The ritual that they did earned them an early death, an early disease. Someone was doing suicide spells here in the graveyard, Divine Collective. Trust your angels and your guides. The situation is coming to a completion. You are moving on, Divine Collective. Be cautious of someone coming in with an offer here. Spirit says this is a trickster spirit. They're coming in with no offer, no stability. This person is very jealous. This is a very cold energy. Still picking up on the trickster spirit, Divine Collective, that is going to try to come towards you and finesse you. Possibly someone from your past, okay? They're exhausted. They're lost in the darkness, okay? They feel they have nothing left to lose. So it's one of those things, can't beat you, might as well join you. However, this is a trickster, Divine Collective. Realizing that it's really over. Nothing left to do here. The cords have been burned. This is a repeat spiritual offender, Divine Collective. This is coming to a, I heard close and end. They can no longer do the things that they were once allowed to do. They want to breadcrumb you, Divine Collective. They now want to be friends. You already know what it is here. I feel like this is an insult to you. This is an insult to you. Continue distancing yourself here. Someone wants you to be indecisive. It's this water sign. There's a water sign heavy in the energy, wanting you to be indecisive about moving forward, Divine Collective, about being in love, Divine Collective. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Spirit says, oh, now they want to remember what they did. Now, okay? Now that they want you to let them in so that they can breadcrumb you and destroy you once you let them back in, Divine Collective. Spirit is sending you the angel of strength at this time. I heard at the right time, Divine Collective. God is treating this person accordingly, according to their actions, okay? There's a fight that could break out here. Someone drinking heavily. Someone stalking you, Divine Collective. I'm kind of hearing a fight breaking out at your house, but I don't get that there's anyone drinking heavily at your house, Divine Collective. If you're anything like in the energy that I'm in, the high vibrational energy that I like to keep myself in, you're not allowing people to drink heavily at your home, okay, Divine Collective? So I do feel like this is karmic energy. There's fights breaking out here. People are drinking heavily. This is a karmic energy, Divine Collective, who are stalking you. There's a scam, some type of scam I'm picking up on here. Hackers. Spirit says they are all unstable because of all the spell work that they've done has left them unstable. These scammers, these hackers, they can't manipulate you, Divine Collective. They're realizing that you can't be manipulated, okay? Your intuition has been trying to warn you of something here, something feeling off. Your crown chakra is of significance, Divine Collective. I'm getting the artist, someone who's very creative, someone who's very responsible, loyal. You're a hard worker. Spirit says expect positive changes. I'm speaking to someone who has spiritual gifts that can heal others, okay? You're a healer. Medicine man, medicine woman, that's what I'm picking up on. These are your spiritual gifts, Divine Collective. Your work here is done. Spirit is telling me. Uncle Sam is of significance. Op energy, police, dark web, illegal activity. I'm hearing Uncle Sam, op energy. Someone is getting caught up in a lie here. This lie is going to cause someone a great deal of pain and disappointment. Someone getting caught up in a lie here. Spirit says you're going to have a reason to celebrate, Divine Collective. Things are now changing. Things are now changing. A lot of you miss someone. Spirit says love is strange. Love is strange. You are very forgiving, caring, and loving. However, your ancestors are not so much. What these two cards together are telling me, Divine Collective, is Spirit is acknowledging who you are at your core. You're very caring, forgiving, and loving. And a lot of people realize this about you, Divine Collective. And I do feel like whoever this is from your past, you do have good memories with this person, right? It wasn't all bad. It was, it wasn't all bad. It's one of those situations, right? So whoever this ex of yours is that needs to heal, Divine Collective, and get out of this very low vibrational, warlockish energy. They're thinking because they know that you're forgiving, caring, and loving that they can do the bare minimum and you're going to allow them back in. They're very strategic, okay? So they want to play on that. They want to play on that, Divine Collective. That's what I'm getting. As much as this person's done, you still, in a way, you care about this person, right? The card says miss, but I don't think you're out there missing this person. I just think that because there was a cord, because there was a connection, maybe you even have children together, whatever the case may be, this trickster is playing on this, Divine Collective, okay? So your ancestors are stepping in here because your heart is so pure and kind. Your ancestors are saying, okay, I'm not going to allow him or her to keep, getting ran all over, Divine Collective. I'm going to step in. From this point in or on, I'm stepping in. And if she can't stand up and block these people, I will. Or if he can't. That's what I'm picking up on, Divine Collective. Picking up on groupies here, being ignored. Spirit says they're all broke, they're all liars, and they're broke. Groupies. Someone feels that you've left them in turmoil. The more you move forward, the more their life goes backwards, or the more they feel like they're left in turmoil. Turbulent waters help you face your deepest fears, I'm hearing, Divine Collective. Trust your intuition. Trust yourself without hesitation, Spirit says. 8:12 on the clock. United States government. I also got Uncle Sam earlier. This is a distorted masculine for sure. United States government, refusing to settle for anything else. Personal problems that are taking all the attention. Spirit says, I'm teaching them to be better. The U.S. government, I'm teaching them to be better. You are ready. Stand your ground with this person. Stand on your boundaries, Divine Collective, because they're coming in. There's a lot of warlocks here that are coming in to try to test the waters, okay? To pull at your heartstrings here, Divine Collective. Okay, stand your ground with this person. This is someone who really likes to project, Spirit says. They project a lot in the dream state. You've mastered yourself here, so they can't do this any longer, Divine Collective. That's why they feel the need to come in now. Okay, they can no longer do the things that they were once doing because you're at peace. Spirit is saying it's my beliefs aren't better. It's not that your beliefs are better, Divine Collective. It's that your behavior is, okay? I mean, your beliefs are better, but you'll get a lot of people who will challenge you and say things like you think you are better. And that's the thing. Your beliefs aren't better. Your behavior is. Nobody is exempt from karma, Divine Collective. Nobody, okay?